Stop wasting hours manually sifting through eBay listings, hoping for a winner. I already found a winner in less than 60 seconds, and this is a Cat 6. Looks like it's like some type of cord. Anyway, they're generating a lot of sales, and there's very little competitors. They're selling for $59.99, over 2,500 sold, right? And you can see I already found it on Alibaba for like 10 bucks. So pretty good profit margin. I actually want to sell this now, but it was all because of Zikanalytics. So Zikanalytics is a tool. It should be right in the description. You can get a discount. I believe they also have a free trial. It might be $1, but pretty good. This is the interior of Zikanalytics, right? But we're going to be going into the Product Explorer, and we're also going to be looking at the competitor research tab. So go ahead and click on Product Explorer with me. And when we do Product Explorer, we kind of want to look at the minimum price, the seller feedback, and the location. Okay, so here it is. And what you're going to do is pretty much just type in a keyword, right? So I like to do a broad keyword like gift, for example. So we're going to do ebay.com, USA, and we're going to do the sale date range 30 days. I want to sell products that are at least $20 or higher. Below that, the profit margins are usually pretty low. Somebody with feedback that at least has 500. Obviously, you can change this to 100. 100 is pretty good too. Any exclusions, fixed price, brand new. And then we're going to click search. And it's going to go through all of these different analytics, and it's going to search, and we got the earnings. Now, this usually doesn't have all the sellers, but it does have a good amount. So you can see the seller's country, different things, but all I care is I'm just going to click filter. And I want to have people who have at least 50 sales in the last 30 days. And it narrows the list down very small, only to like 4 products. But right off the bat, I found this cool telescope. So we can click on that listing, and we can see this is in 143 people's carts, and they're selling for $129. So I could potentially find another item like this. Most likely it's from Alibaba, China, get it shipped here, and then resell it on eBay. And you know, they're doing pretty good on this. So that's a quick way. Now, again, we're going to do another one on how I found the first product I mentioned in the video. But you can do cat. So I'm just doing another broad term, cat, right? Cat, dog, things like that. So I typed in cat. I did the same exact analytics. And then I broke it down by filters. And that's when I found that cat 1,000 foot blue cord that I showed you at the beginning of the video. This isn't a cat, but it is a Cat 6, right? So it's really about just testing and seeing what works, and you can find a lot of different items on Zikanalytics, right? And again, Zikanalytics isn't perfect, but I found an item like I showed you so quickly that I believe it is worth it. 1,500 sold, just a pet thermal mat. And how much is this selling for? Let's see. $12.99, pretty cheap. Right, but the big thing that you want to do is when you find a competitor like the Cat cables, the Cat 6 cables, now we can look at the competitors. So we can target the competitor's ID and then look at their catalog and see what other products they're winning on. That's the key sauce here, is finding a good product and then doubling down by looking at the competitors, because the competitor research is really where Zikanalytics comes through. So we're looking right now, and they also have the tool of competitor research. I actually already put them in. So if you go back here, you can see their seller name is Nave Point. So if I put that in here, Nave Point, and I click search, again, it's going to show me all of their products that they're selling. But the thing I want to do is I actually want to filter it by what they have sold the most. So you can see right here, they sold $500,000 worth of this one product. And it is something I would never guess. It looks like a black box. It's like, this is crazy, right? It's a wall mount server data cabinet. So specific that I know for a fact there's like no competitors in this. Obviously you can double check, but it's just completely insane that they're selling this cabinet for $315. I, you know, 1500. What is it? Is it just? It's just a regular cabinet, built-in cooling fan. Okay, it's got a little fan. Removable. I mean, come on. This is nuts. This is nuts. Is it like? It's just insane to see. So there you go, right off the bat, a product that's making $500,000 in total. I don't know how much it's making per month. So okay, 30 days, 30-day sales. It's only getting 2 sales every 30 days. But that sticks about $632. Here's some other cords. We've got one that's making $2,000 every 30 days, 35. And again, these are just the same things, like different colored Pat 6. You got a black one and a white one, whatever one you want. So very cool. And that's where the tool really comes into play. Obviously, you want to make sure you're profitable as well. And that's where Zikanalytics also comes into play, is they do have a tool that you can kind of just do a breakdown. Where's that tool? Here it is, eBay fee calculator. It's all the way over here. You can click on that. And then you can do a little calculation to make sure that if you do find a manufacturer on Alibaba, AliExpress in the US, you're making money. You can also check fees by item ID. So we can kind of come over here, copy their item ID. Ta-da! And then we're going to come back here. Where is it? There it is. And then we're going to paste that in. And then let's see. There you go. And it's automatically tracking the competitors' fees, which makes it so easy. And all we have to do is find the item cost. So let's say the item cost was, we should be able to get this for like $40. And then let's see, do we have to update anything? Doesn't look like it. So we're gonna come back. And it's looking like the total profit's around $232 per sale. So it's pretty good. Obviously, there might be some other costs like the shipping charges that we need to factor in. But at the end of the day, this is a pretty decent tool that can find you products very quickly. I do highly recommend it. And this is how I found a few products in under 60 seconds. And then obviously doing extra research is what's going to make you a winner on eBay. But that's it for today's video. Want more eBay videos? Tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. If you're an eBay seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your eBay journey. Of course, if you need help with increasing sales or anything mentioned in this video, just contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We do full eBay account management and we even do product research for you. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.